In State X, Mr. Camp's 8th grade class consisting of 26 students was surveyed, and 34.6% of the students reported that they had at least 2 siblings. The average 8th grade class in that state is 26. If the students in Mr. Camp's class are representative of students in State's 8th grade classes and there are 1,800 8th grade classes in the state, which of the following best estimates the number of 8th grade students in the state who have fewer than 2 siblings? Classic SAT question, really verbose, and we just need to work out and unpack what's contained in all of this information. So at the heart of it, it sounds like it's going to be a percent question, right? Now let's examine this once more, a little more closely. So 34.6% of the students reported they had at least 2 siblings. Notice that the question is not asking for that same exact question. It's asking about students who have fewer than 2 siblings. And here's how percents work. If you know that you got 40% of questions right on an exam, it means that you missed 60%, right? It's always 100 minus what you're given. Let's do another one of these. If you know that you got 95% of the questions right on an exam, it means that you missed 5. So that's the analogy that we're going to apply for this question right here. If 34.6% are students who have at least 2 siblings, students who have fewer than 2 siblings is going to be 100% minus 34.6%. And you'll find that that's going to give you 65.4% of students that have fewer than 2 siblings. So this percent right here is 65.4. So we read on and we find out that the average 8th grade class in the state is 26 students. If students in Mr. Camp's class are representative of students in the state's 8th grade classes, there are 1,800 8th grade classes, and each one has an average of 26 students. So to find total students, you'd say 1,800 8th grade classes times 26 per class gives us a total of 46,800 8th grade students. So these are the two numbers that we're going to be working with. So we know that 65.4% of all the 8th graders, which is 46,800, have fewer than 2 siblings. So this is 0.654 times 46,800. When you do the math for this on the calculator, you'll find that this is 30,607.2. The question was asking best estimates, so the closest we can find to that in the answer traces is C.